exits in the unlikely event of an emergency. Our cabin pressure is carefully controlled. However, an oxygen mask will be released from the panel above your head if it changes during flight. Remain in your seat. Remove your COVID-19 mask and immediately grab an oxygen mask, pulling it firmly toward you. It is the action of pulling the mask toward your face that releases a pin to start the oxygen flow. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and continue to breathe normally while securing the elastic band around your head. Although the bag will not inflate, oxygen will flow to the mask. When your own mask is secure, assist children and fellow passengers. Continue to use the oxygen mask until advised otherwise by a uniformed crew member. A life jacket is provided under your seat. In the unlikely event of a water landing, remove your jacket from the pouch. Pull the life jacket over your head, wrap the belt around your back and fasten in the front. The life jacket must not be inflated inside the aircraft, as this may hinder your ability to leave through an exit. Inflate the life jacket once outside the aircraft by pulling down on the red toggles. Should it be necessary, the jacket can be inflated manually by blowing into the red inflation tubes. A light will illuminate when the battery is submerged in water. Special life jackets will be provided for infants by the cabin crew. Please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened tightly, your armrests down, tray tables secured, and window blinds completely open as we prepare for takeoff. Please note that our slimline seat. You can refer to the safety card in the seat pocket or on the tray table before you for the locations of all exits, as well as any other safety features of our aircraft. Take special note of your brace position. We remind you that tampering with, damaging, or removing aircraft emergency equipment or interfering with the duties of the crew members is a criminal offense. On FlySafair, we allow you to use your handheld electronic devices in flight mode. Please switch them to flight mode now for the duration of our flight. All laptops must be stowed safely for taxi, takeoff, approach, and landing. Should any announcement be made regarding portable electronic devices, please follow the instruction immediately. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a great flight.
Further away. multiple apartments. I'm pretty sure that he has a license.
very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the SpiceFM flight FA298 to Cape Town. Our flight time will be approximately 2 hours. Pilot in command is Captain Pete Ace, working alongside him is First Officer Thomas Stern. In the cabin we are led by Sam. My name is Tommy. I'm assisting her in the front. At the back you will be attended by Leanne and Mishka. Should you require any assistance on board this flight, please do not hesitate to call on any one of us. Ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of health, safety and environment, this is a non-smoking flight. Where the use of cigarettes is strictly prohibited on all our aircraft and routes. The lavatories on board this aircraft have been fitted with very sensitive smoke detectors. Laptops and notebooks equipped with flight mode may be used once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. As soon as the captain has turned off the seatbelt signs, we will commence with our onboard service. For now, we invite you to please sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight to Cape Town. Thank you.